Welcome back to Secret Squirrel Garage. This is the XK120 that I'm working on. Throw in a couple of pictures as it came in so you can see what it was like. It's got a 351 Windsor in it with a C4 transmission. Just got the carburetor back from the car builders. Got it on, now I need to run the plumbing and get a new throttle cable for it because that one's just not going to work. It's a little too long. Redoing the wiring. The wiring was a little suspect in a few places. Got to go over the brake system. Put in a hood latch that didn't have, and then made the prop rod for it. Redoing some of the plumbing for the radiator. As you can see here, this is the plastic pipe plumbing that someone had thought would be okay for the radiator. We're going to go with aluminum instead. Got to redo the wipers. Wipers have to go in opposite directions, and the wipers that they put in go the same direction, which you can't do on a windshield like this. And starting to redo some of the wiring inside the car also. A lot of the gauges weren't working. They didn't have a lockout for the shifter. And as a quick note, hint for people that actually do some of these, it's similar to a painless wiring kit. These wires are all marked, so your best bet would not be cut off ends and splice them with the wiring, because then you can't really tell what stuff is. Because what you think you're chasing that says antenna wire is actually a ground wire. Could cause you some problems down the road. It's actually a really cool little car. Got a Ford 9-inch under the back. It should be fun and light. Motor's fairly stock 351 Windsor, but that should be more than enough to make it a fun car. As you can tell, we've got some plumbing for the new fuel system. It's got one of the original AC fuel pumps in it from the Cobras. It's really, really loud. So we're gonna take that out, put a new fuel system in it, run all the plumbing up. I will give you guys an update on this as things happen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram at SecretSquirrelG, and leave any comments on anything you'd like to see. Appreciate you taking time to watch the video, and we'll see you guys later. Have a blessed day.